Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 5 questions that you should ask before selecting a web hosting plan. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's start the video. A bad web host can be quite a nightmare. Downtime, lost file, or poor customer service can all destroy your online business. Fortunately, there are some questions you can ask before signing up for a web hosting service. Question number 1. What is your average monthly uptime? Regardless of the type of site you are hosting, the server uptime is the most important aspect. Anything below 99.95% is unacceptable. Question number 2. How do you handle downtime? If you get a 100% uptime guarantee, and your site is up only 95% that month, then how does the hosting company handle it? Are you given a partial refund? Ask how they handle downtime. Question number 3. Are there any penalties for cancellation? What happens if you decide to change your hosting provider? Do you need to pay cancellation fees? Ask how they handle cancellations. Question number 4. How many customers are on each server? Too many customers on a single server can cause your website to run slow. You have to learn how big each server is, and how many clients are on it. It will help you compare different hosting companies. Choose the one who has the least number of clients per server. Question number 5. What makes you the best choice? Asking this question allows the web host to sell themselves to you. They must have a clear reason why you should choose them over the competition. This could be excellent customer service, strong uptime, or extra price discounts. Ask and see what types of interesting responses you get. And that's the top 5 questions that you should ask a hosting provider before signing up. You can also check out this video, where we have reviewed the top 8 best web hosting providers. The link is given in the description of the video.